The F-302 Fighter-Interceptor was the primary aerospace fighter craft in use by Stargate Command and later Homeworld Command from its introduction in 2002. It served as a multi-role attack fighter and light bomber, and proved more than a match for its frequent opponents, the Goa'uld Death Glider and the Wraith Dart. The 302 was originally designed to be the Tauri's first interstellar spacecraft. The original prototype, designated X-302, was equipped with an Aquadria-powered hyperspace window generator. But in an aborted test flight to Abydos, it was discovered that the small ship could not overcome the inherent instability of Naquadria in the hyperdrive. The ship itself, however, performed well enough that the construction of many more was authorised. Now designated F-302s, dozens of these fighters were constructed in the following months, forming the beginnings of the Tauri space fleet. The F-302 was 14.26 metres long and 26.17 metres wide. The ship normally carried a pilot and co-pilot, but could be operated without a co-pilot if necessary. The ship's powerful engines, coupled with its advanced inertial dampeners, gave it the manoeuvrability of an F-22 Raptor and the ride of a Boeing 747. Though the 302 could not sustain a hyperspace window long enough for any reasonable interstellar travel, another use was devised for the unstable Naquadria hyperdrive. The drive was used to propel the fighter in small but tactically valuable jumps. One impressive example of this was during the battle over Viz Urban, where an F-302 was used to hyperjump inside the perimeter of a larger ship's shields, allowing the fighter to surgically attack that ship's weapons array and disable it. The F-302 is armed with two high-velocity railguns, each capable of propelling a metal slug at a velocity of Mach 5 over a distance of 250 miles with a firing rate of 500 rounds per minute. The fighter also carries several Naquadah-tipped AIM-120A air-to-air missiles, capable of damaging even some capital-sized vessels. Under special circumstances, the 302 can even be outfitted to carry tactical nuclear weaponry, allowing it to pose a threat to even Wraith Hive ships. F-302s were also capable of atmospheric flight, as well as single-stage-to-orbit launches from a planet's surface. This allowed squadrons of 302s to be assigned to launch bays in the Cheyenne Mountains Stargate Command facility, as well as Area 51 and various off-world Tauri outposts, such as the Alpha Site, to protect those facilities in the event of an attack. Both the BC-303 Prometheus and BC-304 Daedalus class battlecruisers were designed to carry squadrons of F-302s, greatly expanding the tactical value of those vessels. This was clearly demonstrated in the Battle of Antarctica, arguably the most significant Tauri victory since the Stargate program began. During the battle, F-302s attached to the USAF Prometheus held off the forces of Anubis long enough for the Antarctic weapons platform to be activated, destroying the hostile fleet. The F-302's long service in such a rapidly developing military is a testament to its excellent design. Though minor upgrades were made to the fighter as new railgun and engine technologies became available to the Tauri, the base design remained the same since its inception, and F-302s continued to prove their effectiveness in combat with the Wraith, Ori, and later the Lucian Alliance, following the downfall of the Goa'uld system lords. Thank you for watching Spacedock. Please remember to like, subscribe and share for more science fiction spacecraft summaries, and if there's a particular spacecraft you'd like to see looked at, let me know in the comments below and I'll get right on it.